Congratulations on your new website. We've worked hard to create a powerful online foundation for your business. But what happens after launch? Just like a car needs an oil change, your website needs proactive maintenance to ensure it runs smoothly, securely, and effectively. That's where our maintenance service comes in. Think of us as your dedicated, round-the-clock support team. Our maintenance service is designed to give you peace of mind and keep your digital presence in perfect working order. Here's what's included. First, we offer 24/7 emergency support for your website, hosting, and online tools. If anything ever goes wrong, we're here to fix it immediately. We also prioritize website security by actively protecting your site from hackers and malicious attacks by using powerful tools like firewalls and daily scans. Next, we focus on website performance and speed. We regularly review your site to optimize everything from image sizes to code, ensuring your pages load as fast as possible for your customers. We also work to ensure website accessibility, making your site compliant and easy to use for all visitors. Our service includes uptime monitoring, which scans your website 24/7 to make sure it's live and functional with immediate alerts if it goes down. And every quarter, a US-based expert performs a quarterly website checkup, updating your core software, fixing bugs, and running security scans to keep everything fresh and secure. But our support extends beyond just the website. Should you need ongoing help with your content creation, brand management, or even marketing adjustments, whether it's an updated blog post, a new graphic, or a tweak to your ad campaign, our team is here to assist. We ensure your entire digital ecosystem remains cohesive and impactful. With your subscription, you'll also get unlimited access to valuable website resources like optimization checklists, best practices guides, and quarterly growth webinars hosted by our experts to help you scale your brand and business. Don't let technical issues or content gaps slow you down. Our maintenance service ensures your entire digital presence is always a high-performing asset, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.